Hey guys, it's Danny. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have a pocket letter to share with you. As you can see here, I have started it a little bit by just cutting down the cards and putting them in the pockets where I think I will want them. But I am going to zoom you guys in and get started on working on this. I'm just going to take out some of the cards, set the rest aside, and here we go. So let me go ahead and kind of get going. So I do have some little doodads and things kind of pulled out already. So I am using this kit by Echo Park. It's called A Perfect Autumn. It's by Lori Whitlock, and I did use this collection kit last year and I still had some left over. I have used a bunch of the stickers though, so I did purchase one more sticker sheet, 12 by 12, and then they also had this collection, which I liked, but I didn't like it as much as the Perfect Autumn, but I liked some of the stickers and images and things, so they work well together, so I've got those. And then I'm also using some of these papers from Ms. Sparkle & Co. These are from Joann, and I think maybe some of these ones too. I also do have scraps. I also did purchase these layered stickers that are part of the collection or whatever, but I have cut them apart and stuff, so I don't have the whole sheet here, as well as a pack of ephemera, because the collection kit does not come with any ephemera or the layered stickers, and I wanted those, so that's kind of what I'm working with. Of course, I also have jemmies and all that other stuff too, but I wanted to go ahead and get started with you guys. So I'm trying to figure out, do I want to use the gold or the rose golds? I think I want to use these guys. So I have this glittery shaped washi from Target, this heart washi from I don't know where, I think it's Freckled Fawn, and then this one is also from Target, so why don't we just use these ones. And I think I want this little guy to go here on this one. Maybe some of this washi tape. And then as usual, I'll be using my Tombow adhesives because they're my favorite. There. And then I think at the end of the video, I'll do all the jemmies off screen just so this goes a little bit quicker. You guys don't have to wait for all that. Trying to decide how I want this to go. These might go actually on the outside of the pocket. I think that'd be kind of nice. So let me move these up a little bit and go ahead and take some of these out too, so I can kind of see how I want everything, kind of view the whole thing together. I know some of them will be a little off screen, but I'll try to move the ones I'm working on up to the middle for you guys so you can see. So I do have some of these like little leaf, like wood veneer things that I think I would like to use if I can. So this is one of the layered cardstock stickers I was talking about earlier. Let's see, put that there maybe. Okay, that one looks pretty cute. And I know what I want to go here, so I have these little tags. These are also from the Ms. Sparkle & Co. whatever. So I'm going to need to kind of figure out how I want to do it because I don't want to cover up the little like image. So I could put this like up here. That might be kind of cute. So I'm going to do that. Like right there maybe. And my stapler. And these little guys can just slide right in there. That'll be really cute. Hold them in place. I was thinking of doing a little bit of decoration here, so let me grab some of these stickers, I think. Maybe one of these. This Thankful is pretty cute. Some of these are kind of off-cut a little bit, which is annoying, but they could be worse. So, I don't know. That's really kind of annoying. I didn't notice that until just now. Ugh. well, we'll just have to make it work, I suppose. Have to make it work. There. Okay, so that looks cute, like that. And then I was thinking this one would be cute here, like this little jar or something, or this one over here maybe. And I do want to have like little critters and things, because I think that'd be really cute. Maybe like this red leaf would be fun, with some washi tape down there like that. I was thinking maybe this leaf would be cute, and then this little tag layered sticker. Like that, and then maybe some jummies up there would be cute. And I'm not sure what I want to do right here. I was thinking if I had like some more florally things would be really cute. Like that might actually work. Okay. Like that. So that was a sticker with the die cut over it. And again, I can do some little jummies on there. All right, so I'm gonna set these aside so I can work on these. And I have these two done, but I'm gonna keep them over here just so I can kind of keep track of what is what and where is where and all that. I really kind of like this big flower. I want to use him in the middle. I think that'd be pretty. Okay, and I have this new sheet here. And I was thinking of putting like maybe the fox in the middle, because he would go. Maybe on some washi tape. To kind of keep things consistent. Move that up a little bit so you can kind of see the fox and the yellow flower. So I got that. Cute. And what do I want here? I don't know, but I think I know what I want to do on this one, so I'm going to go ahead and do it while I'm thinking of it. So this is one of those long, like washi tape sticker type things. Could do it that way. That would be pretty cute too. But I think I want it this way because I want this truck on here. Okay, I don't really mind that it covers up the scallop. I think that's okay. I mainly just wanted that darker color down there so that it would look kind of like a road. And then maybe a little die cut or something. Or no, I think I was gonna put the fall up here, wasn't I? Yeah, on top of the plastic. All right, so I got those. And I could put half this tree. I have done this trick before where you just put half of the sticker on there and trim off the other half, and then it's like you get kind of two stickers in one. And I can use the other half on another pocket letter. Looks like that. And save this half. And I like how it picks up the pattern from right here. So that is cute. And what do I want to put right here? I'm not sure. Maybe one of these like little die cut things. There's not a ton of like decorative die cuts. There's a crap ton though of phrasey ones, which is kind of annoying, I'm not gonna lie. But it is what it is. That's like too much. Just days of fall. I feel like this one would be cute down here. All right, so I need something here. Maybe just like a pumpkin or something. How about this like polka dot one? There's a little polka dot pumpkin. I'll do that guy right there. All right, so I've got that going. Maybe we could just do like a layering situation or something. That might be all right. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and do all the jummies off screen and I will be right back. Okay, so here is my pocket again. So I'm just going to start putting these in here. And I think this turned out really cute. I love using a collection kit. It just makes the crafting process so much easier. So if you're new to paper crafting or making pocket letters or any kind of project-y type things that involve paper, and even like if you don't have like a big crafty stash of papers and stickers and all that, a collection kit is a really great way to get started and start building your stash, but have plenty to work with as you do that. So I think these cards turned out really cute. I love the jemmies. I use the same yellow jemmies throughout the whole thing, just from this sticker sheet. And I get my jemmies off of Amazon. You get like 20 something sheets just like this filled with gems. There's like thousands on there and it's like $12 or something. It's crazy ridiculous. But they're amazing and I love them so much. So I'm going to put this fall on here, I think. I was hoping there would kind of be, maybe there will be room on this card. Let's just kind of pop them on here and see. No, probably not. Okay, not quite. Almost, but not quite. All right. Got that. I'm just putting these on the outside of the pockets. I think it's fine. It adds a little bit more dimension and interest, especially because they are the cardstock layered stickers. So they already have a little bit of dimension on them. There we go. That's what that looks like. And I guess I should go ahead and put some washi tape on the side. That's what I normally do. I think this washi was from Target. Maybe it's not. Maybe it was from Freckled Fawn as well. I can't remember, honestly. The back looks crazy, but I will be putting some goodies in here. And if you're interested in seeing what types of goodies I put in my pocket letters, I do have several videos here on my channel where I make a pocket letter and then show you, what I put inside. I also have a whole playlist of DIY Happy Mail ideas, like for goodies and things. So I put all of those things in pocket letters at some point as well. And then for this particular pocket letter and all the fall based ones, I do have an exclusive video over in my Patreon Crafty Club showing you all of the Happy Mail goodies that I made for this month's Happy Mail level patrons. So if you're interested in receiving Happy Mail from me, I will leave a link down below to my Crafty Club. There's all sorts of fun stuff going on over there, even if you are not at the Happy Mail level. But that is it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this really cute pocket letter. I hope that you like it. Let me know down below which pocket is your favorite. I think my favorite is, well, I really like this bird, but I also really like the fox. But I like this one too because of the layering. So let me know down below which of these cards is your favorite. Please make sure you are subscribed to my channel if you're not already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!